if you're upgrading from the PlayStation 4 to the PlayStation 5 of your Grand Theft Auto 5 game and want to transfer your story mode save, first you'll need to go to the Rockstar website and either sign up or sign in, and then you will link your PlayStation profile to your account, and it'll be under the linked accounts. Then you're going to want to load up your PlayStation 4 Grand Theft Auto 5 game. Then once in the game, you're going to go to the settings and then select the game tab. And then you're going to select upload save game. Then you select the game save you want to transfer and then select. And then it'll tell you that the upload has been successful and you're ready to start the game on the PlayStation 5. And the transfer is going to be different when it comes to online and story mode. Because with story mode, you have to already have your PlayStation account linked to your Rockstar account on the website. And once that's linked, then you go back to your PS4, upload the game from there, then come to the PS5, and then start your game. But with online, you just have to start the game, and then it'll ask you to transfer your account over. And if you haven't upgraded your game just yet, you can download it. You have the digital version. You don't need the disc anymore, and then get an upgrade price, which might change in the future. And we'll go to Grand Theft Auto 5. We're going to resume the story. Then we're going to come to the screen that says download save game data. GTA 5 story game data is available to download from your Rockstar Games account. If the information shown here is incorrect, please re-upload from your previous generation console and try again. And then you're just going to select the recent mission, and it's going to tell you alert. And you're going to download a previous game. Existing game with the Rockstar will replace the previous one you have there. And then you're just going to confirm to make sure. And then success. Downloaded successfully. And then your game is ready to start where you last left off.